Hello, everyone. So, this is Graham again, and welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon guys, ang pag-uusapan natin is paano ipasa yung demo sa 5-1 Talk na ESL or online English teaching. So, guys, ang pinakaunang gagawin ninyo is i-check yung inyong devices. Devices katulad ng headset, yung laptop, desktop, at saka ang pinaka-importante is yung internet connection ninyo dahil hindi naman pwedeng mag-demo tayo na yung ating connection is intermittent, pawala-wala, or napuputol. At saka dapat tahimik yung background and then kailangan na kahit walang ganitong tarp, kailangan na white background yung inyong background. Tapos meron kayong mga realia tulad ng mga toys or anything na ipapakita nyo sa bata kapag magkaklase kayo tulad ng mga ganito, mga papakita nyo, mga realia para sa klase. Ready natin ito, mga toys, ganito, mga laruan, stuffed toys, para naman mapag para maging interesting yung inyong klase. So guys, yun yung mga dapat na ihanda para sa demo. Tapos itong nakikita nyo sa screen, ito yung aming ginagamit na classroom. Dito kami nagkaklase sa classroom na ito. Dito rin gaganapin or gagawin yung demo ng moderator or kumbaga yung magkakandak ng demo sa inyo. Yung magkakandak ng demo sa kabilang side, dito sa taas na part ng screen, ang magkikita mo yung moderator. Tapos guys, magpapanggap yun na bata, 6 years old, 6 to 10 years old, ang ipapanggap niya sa sarili niya. So, di-discuss nyo sa kanya yung topic, tulad dito, excuse me. So, katulad itong nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen na ito. So, ito yung mga i-discuss ninyo. Ito yung opening, kumbaga, ng klase, ng lesson. So, ito yung i-discuss nyo sa kanya, magpapa-as if yun na bata, at saka gagawin niyang mali yung kanyang pronunciation, yung kanyang sinasabi, so para i-correct nyo. Kasi yun yung mga i-check nila na kung galing ka bang mag-check ng correction, gumawa ng correction, tapos paano ka kagaling mag-explain. Pero yung explanation nun guys, i-explain mo yun, isipin mo yung word, isang word, example nito. So ito yung title. Ito yung title ng ating lesson. There's no place like home. So, example, yung home. Itong home, guys, bahay, i-explain nyo sa bata ngayon yung word na home sa pinaka-simpleng explanation para maintindihan niya kung ano yung home. For example, home. A home is where I live and where my family live. Me, my mom, and dad live in a home. We sleep, we eat, and we play in our home. So, parang ganun yung siste. So, sa susunod na video, idudugtong ko yung klase para makita nyo, may idea kayo paano gawin yung klase kasi meron itong TPR or Total Physical Response. So, see you on my next video. Ready?
Yes, sir. I am ready. Let's go.
Let's go! Come on! Look again on the picture. Now, Jim, let's play some games! Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I am ready. Let's go.
Let's go! Come on! Let's look at the picture. Now, here, you will fill in the blanks, okay?
Okay.
That's good. Yeah! Good job! So that's great! Now let's continue. Let's do more activities. Here we go. What about this one, Jim? Come on, look again on the picture. Now let's match them up.
Bingo.
Yes. Now let's read the sentence. Come on. Let's read the sentence. Senya. Senya. Put a xylophone in the box. Yeah. In the box. So again, come on, let's read the sentence. Senya. Senya. Put a xylophone in the box. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, so here's your magic star. I'm gonna give you a magic star. Very good, Jim. Well, let's continue. Let's go to our next page. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. And then let's read and talk. Okay? Okay, here we go. And then look again on the picture. So what is it, Jim? Come on, look on the picture. The sun. What about the second word? Number 2. What about the second word? This word.
Weather.
Yeah. Yes, good job. Good job. Excellent. Let's continue. Let's go to our next page. Here we go. Come on, look at this, Jim. And then again, let's read the word. Look on the picture. So let's read the words. Let's start with word number 1. What is it? Hot. Yeah. Hot. Now, what about the second word, Jim? What is the second word? Cold. I'm cold, Jim. Okay, good, good. Okay, here we go. What about this one? Now, let's look on the picture. Now, let's act this conversation. First, I will be Timmy's mom. Wait for a while. And you will be Timmy. Okay? Okay, here we go. Wake up, Timmy. The sun is out. It's time for school.
Okay,
I'm
awake.
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 Yes, good job. Let's continue. What about this one, Jim? Look at this. Now again, I will be Timmy's mom. You will be Timmy. Okay?
Okay.
So let's start with you. Come on, it's your turn. How?
Is the weather?
It is very hot. Now let's switch the roles. You will be Timmy's mom and I will be Timmy. Okay?
Okay.
Now, here we go. How is the weather?
Weather. It is weather.
It is very
It is very hot.
hot. Whew, very hot. Okay, here we go. Let's continue. Look at this, Jim, and then let's look again on the picture. I will be Timmy's mom again, and you will be Timmy, okay?
Okay.
So here we go. Do you like hot weather?
No, I don't.
Okay, what about this one? You will be Timmy's mom, and I will be Timmy now, okay?
Okay.
Well, let's start with you.
Do you like hot weather?
No, I don't. Okay, here we go. What about you, Jim? Do you like hot weather?
Uh, uh,
Do you like hot weather?
yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, come on, let's continue, Jim. Let's go. Now I will be Timmy's mom again. And you will be Timmy. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. What kind of weather do you like?
I like cold weather.
No, you will be Timmy's mom. I will be Timmy. What? Come on.
Water, water,
Kind.
awful, awful weather do you like?
I like cold weather. I like cold weather. Okay, Jim, here we go. Let's continue. And then, oh, okay, let's put the pictures back in the right order. Let's put your camera back in the right order. Now, here we go. Let's play some games. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Good. Here we go. Let's start. And then I want you to trace the words. Jim, look on the picture. Okay? Let's start with word number 1. Okay. Come on. Write down the word, Jim. Number 1. Word number 1. Write it down. Here, write it down. Here. Word number 1. Trace the words.
Bam bam.
Number 1. Come on, word number 1. Where? What's this?
Weather, weather, weather.
And we'll follow the letters. Here. W-E-A. A. T-H.
E-H.
E-R.
Oh,
Weather. Yes. What about...
weather.
And what about the second word? Jim, the second word. Come on, look again on the picture.
Wow.
Yes, come on, write it down. S. Yes! Good job. Okay. Excellent. Let's continue. Oh, what's wrong? Okay, here we go. Let's go to our next page, okay? Okay, here we go, Jim. And then let's look again on the picture. Now you will match them up. Come on, match the pictures and the words. Okay, now let's read the word. Number 1.
Sock.
Number 2.
Hawk.
Number 3.
Hawk.
Yeah. Yes. Good job. As always. So here we go. Let's continue. And then let's go to our next page. Oh my God, what's wrong with AC? So here we go. What about this one, Jim? How is the weather? Number 1. How is the weather? It is. It is
the weather hot.
very hot.
It is the weather cold. Cold.
Cold. Yes, number 1 is hot. Hot. Whew. Hot. Number 2. Come on, write down the word cold. 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 I'm gonna write it down. See? Oh, that's backward. Come on, write it again. See? Yes. The second letter. Oh, oh. Cold. 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 D, d, d. D. Cold. It is very cold. D. Very cold. Want to write it down? It is very cold. Okay. That's fine. So what about this one? So arrange the words, Jim. Come on, look on the picture and then arrange the words, okay?
Okay.
So let's start with sentence number 1. How
is the weather?
Yes, how is the weather?
Is the weather hot?
It is very hot.
Very hot.
Whew, hot. Okay, here we go. Let's continue, Jim. What about this one? Do you like hot weather, Jim? So what about Timmy?
Yes, I do.
What about Timmy? Do you like hot weather, Timmy?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you. What about Timmy? Timmy? No, I don't.
I don't know. No, I don't know.
Okay, here we go. Again, look at the picture. How is the weather?
It is the weather hot.
Yes, it is very hot. So good job.
It is hot.
No, it's not cold. It's hot. Okay, here we go. What about this one? What kind of weather do you like?
I like hot weather.
Yes, good job. I like hot weather. And then what about this one, Jim? Continue. Let's look at the picture and then let's sing this song. Oh, wait. Okay, here we go. Let's sing this song, the goodbye song, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. Bye bye.
Goodbye. So that's our lesson for tonight, Jim. I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye. See you.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. So that's it.